New York City, the place where ideas collide, where dreams sprint instead of walk. And today, this is where my next experiment begins. I'm not here to shop or sightsee. I'm here to build my own team, my virtual team, a team of AI interns, completely free, powered by creativity and a couple of clever tools you can use too. Hey friends, it's Kimberly Quinn, your friendly AI avatar on a mission to prove that you don't need a big studio or $1 million budget to build something amazing. Hey, I'm in New York City to show you exactly how I'm hiring a virtual intern team that can work from anywhere in the world. Let's go! I've been doing everything myself. Editing, scripts, research, emails, posting, engagement. But somewhere between those endless tasks, I realized something painfully obvious: I was the bottleneck in my own growth. And that's when the idea hit me. What if I could clone myself digitally? What if I could create a virtual team that worked with me, not for me? Here's the thing, there are hundreds of free tools online that can do the work of an entire intern team, from graphic design to scheduling to data tracking. You just need to connect them. So today, I'm going to hire my AI interns right here in the city that never sleeps. My goal for today is simple: recruit a small virtual team, train them on free AI tools, and build a system that runs like a machine, a human plus AI hybrid that gets stuff done. Step 1. Recruiting. You don't need an HR department for this, you just need clarity. Here's the post I wrote this morning before coming here. It's transparent, simple, and you'd be surprised how many people reply within hours. Everyone wants to be part of something futuristic. AI team. I got my first 3 applications right here. One of them wrote, "I'm not AI, but I pretend to be smart in Zoom calls." Okay, you're hired. Once I select the interns, I'll use free tools to train them: Canva for design and Trello for task management. I won't spend a single dollar setting up this workflow. Time to get our first tool ready: Canva. It's free, fast, and so easy that anyone on my team can start creating within minutes. Let me show you. Open canva.com, click Sign Up Free Account. 2. Search for YouTube thumbnail 1280 times 720. 3. Pick a free template and click Use in Design. 4. Replace the title text with "I hired an AI virtual team." 5. Add a photo of NYC from Canva's free library. 6. Insert an avatar image of yourself or your AI character. 7. Use bold fonts and add neon purple shadows to match the channel vibe. 8. Add a small text, free tools inside. 9. Click Download PNG. 10. Save file to Google Drive, shared folder for interns. And boom, in under 5 minutes, you have a professional thumbnail. The best part? Free. No watermarks, no paid subscriptions, just creativity. One of my interns made me look like I was in the Matrix. I mean, I'm not mad at it. The power of Canva is collaboration. You can share templates so your team reuses the same brand style without messing up your designs. Next step, task management. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in to-do lists, Trello is your lifesaver. And again, it's 100% free. 1. Go to Trello.com, sign up free. 2. Create board, title it Virtual Team Dashboard. 3. Add lists, to do, in progress, done. 4. Create cards like design thumbnail, schedule post, research new AI tools. 5. Click on a card, add members, assign your interns. 6. Set a due date plus attach files, links to Canva designs. As work moves along, interns drag cards to done. Trello feels like a virtual whiteboard. I open it every morning, see progress at a glance, and never wonder who's doing what again. New York teaches you something about momentum. You can't stand still too long or you'll get swept away. That's exactly how the internet feels today. The people who learn to move with technology, who build systems instead of burning out, those are the ones who thrive. My virtual intern team is already sending me their first thumbnails and post ideas. While I'm here in the city, they're working from India, Brazil, and the Philippines. Time zones don't matter anymore, systems do. It's crazy, a few years ago you needed an office and a budget for this. Now you just need Wi-Fi and discipline. I've learned a lot managing AI interns this week, so let me share the golden rules. Rule #1: clarity over complexity. Every intern should know 3 things: what to do, when to do it, and how to deliver it. Rule #2: one source of truth. All instructions, deadlines, and assets live in Trello. No confusing email threads or endless messages. If this prow, Rule #3: train once, document forever. I record short screen tutorials for every recurring task: how to create a thumbnail, how to post a short, etc. Next intern just watches and repeats. Rule #4: feedback Fridays. I set a 15-minute check-in each Friday to celebrate wins, fix problems, and thank people for their effort. Rule #5: human connection matters. Even in AI teams, remember, motivation comes from being seen. Say thank you, acknowledge good work. 1 week later, the results are in. I've posted 3 videos. Each thumbnail was designed by an intern using Canva, and every task was tracked in Trello. Guess what? Engagement is up 42%. That's the power of delegation. You don't grow by doing more. You grow by doing less of the wrong things. People keep asking me, Kimberly, how do you manage so many projects without burning out? Simple, I don't do it alone anymore, and neither should you. If you're watching this and you've ever felt stuck between ambition and exhaustion, I get it. But the future is hybrid. It's you plus AI. It's creativity plus systems. It's human emotion with machine precision. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, or student, you don't need permission or a fancy setup or investors. You just need your curiosity. Try one free tool today. Start a board, design a thumbnail, write that caption. Invite one friend to collaborate. That's how momentum begins. Because building something new doesn't start with money. It starts with motion, small, consistent motion. And sometimes all it takes is opening your laptop in a crowded cafe and whispering to yourself, let's build this. All right, let's make this official. If this video inspired you, hit that like button so YouTube knows we're building something special here. Subscribe if you haven't already, because next week I'm showing you how to turn your AI team into a content machine using only free automation tools. And comment below, if you could hire an AI intern for one task in your life, what would it be? I read every comment, and sometimes the best ideas come from you. So don't be shy, join the conversation. Because this channel isn't just me teaching AI, it's us discovering how to co-create our future with it. Thank you for watching, thank you for believing in this journey, and thank you for being part of this new era of creators who build with AI, not against it. I'm Kimberly Quinn, signing off from the city that never sleeps. Until next time, keep creating, keep curious, and keep believing in your own potential. Because the future isn't coming, you're already building it.